Imagine a world where every animal is made of delicate glass, each one a shimmering piece of art. In another life, perhaps, they are something entirely different from what we know. Welcome to Glass Animal Stories, a world of wonder and imagination.
The swamp is home to some of nature's most fascinating creatures. Tiny glass frogs perch on lily pads, puffing glowing bubbles as their song echoes across the water. Below the surface, the silent glass crocodile watches patiently, its amber eyes glinting like hidden treasure. Turtles drift slowly, releasing shimmering pearls of air as they explore the underwater world. Above, the elegant glass egret stalks its prey, every step creating ripples across the mirrored surface. The glass python coils beneath mossy logs, flicking its tongue with deadly patience. Playful glass otters float on their backs, cracking open snail shells for a midday snack. Chunky glass toads sit unmoving in the rain, listening to droplets tap like tiny bells. Catfish stir the muddy riverbed with delicate whiskers, uncovering hidden morsels. A glowing glass salamander hides beneath logs, cautious yet curious, emerging only when safe. High above, glass dragonflies hover, wings shimmering in slow motion, painting light across the swamp. Glass herons wait patiently for fish, while platypuses glide underwater, exploring every nook. Tiny crabs scuttle along the muddy banks, shaping sand and silt into little fortresses. Kingfishers dart with dazzling speed, catching shimmering prey in a flash. Even a slow glass sloth clings to a mossy branch, moving deliberately through its quiet world. In this glassy marsh, every ripple, every shimmer tells a story. A world of patience, play, and survival, where even the smallest creatures hold extraordinary beauty.